Hi, welcome back to The Good Greek. We're going to do a 30-second one because the last one was too long. My wife told me off. But also, it is too long. You can sit down for 15 minutes. It's good at the end though, I do a shout out. It's worth it. But anyway, I'm overrunning already. This is banana bread. It's got 4 old bananas which I won't throw away. No way, it's the end of the world. So I've mushed them up and I've added sugar, vanilla essence, teaspoon. How much sugar? About 4 or 5 tablespoons. Maybe you could chuck in more or less if you wanted. You could swap it with agave sugar if you think that sugar is poison. Also, I've put in flour. About 2/3. No, that's not right. No, don't do that. Maybe half as much flour, a little bit less than the sort of liquidy mess that I had. Okay. Also in the liquidy mess. Sorry, it's the end of the evening. We're overrunning. This is the 3-minute one now. Okay. Anyway, I also put in oil. About 4 tablespoons of like a vegetable oil, not a flavoured oil. That's what I put in. Rapeseed oil. It's healthy for you, but I also put in some vegan butter that I have, which I get from the kosher shop, which is a good one. Can't tell you the name, but it's a good one. And I put in about 5 tablespoons of that. No, that's not right. No, 3 tablespoons. About 3 tablespoons. Okay, so, and I put that in the microwave and melted it down and I stuck it in here. So it was all a liquidy mess. And 1 egg. Okay, and then half a teaspoon of baking powder, and like I say, the flour. So I've got this, which is a cake mix. Okay, look, that's cakey. All right, more liquidy. It's going to take longer to cook. Might not set. Can be more like moist though if you do it like that. But this is going to be moist and bready, maybe on the bready side. Okay, and if it's drier than this, more bready, then you get more bready cake. It's just chemistry, guys. Alright, so let's stop there and I'll show you it when it comes out of the oven. Okay, so here's the finished product, as they say. It never gets boring. Here you go. Hang on. I could do better than that. Oh, that was good, but wait. Yes. We're just going to take this out. Okay. There you go. Oh. Banana bread! There it is! Yay! Didn't take long. Alright. So. That's my quick version. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you find us on Facebook, Apocalypse Chow, and The Good Greek, and also on YouTube. All the best. Bye!